I'm in a Rigby. I pick up the rice in the church where the weddings have been. Yeah, I'm in a Rigby. I'm keeping my face in a jar by the door. Who knows what is it for? All lonely people. Where do they all come from? All the lonely people. Where do they all belong? Father Mackenzie, writing the words to a sermon that no one will hear, no one comes near. Look at him working, darning his socks in the night, but does he care? All the lonely people, where do they all come from? All the lonely people, where do they all belong? Eleanor Rigby died in a church and was buried along with her name. Nobody came. Father Mackenzie wiped the dirt from his hands and walked on the grave.